Let's enter the Query panel so that we can query some results. First, we need to select what we want to query. We will query nodes and have the node IDs and the contour results reported. Now let's select the nodes to be queried. We will do this by selecting them in the Graphics area. Notice how the table is automatically updated as the nodes are selected. We can get additional information about the model after we select Advanced Query. This opens a new window where we can query the results in the model with more options. First, we can select what to apply the query on. As the results are nodal-based, we can either select nodes or components. If the results were elemental-based, we would be able to select elements or components. Let's select nodes for this example. Next, we can select how we want to query the results. The options available are greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, top n, and bottom n. For this example, let's go ahead and select greater than or equal to. Now we need to enter a value that the model can be queried against. Here we will enter the value of 14,000. So what we have set up is a query that will look at all the nodes in the model and find nodes that have a result greater than or equal to 14,000. Also, we have a warning threshold set at 85%. This means that any results that come within 85% of 14,000 will also be reported. So let's go ahead and select Apply to perform the query. Now that the query is done, the results are presented in the table below. We can more easily view the results if we select View Table Only. We can sort the results based on their value by clicking on the Value column. Let's scroll through the table to view the results. Notice how the values greater than or equal to 14,000 are reported in red, while the values that fell within the warning threshold are reported in blue. Let's return to the normal view and change the threshold to 95%. Let's select Apply to perform the query again. So let's take a look at the table again and notice the difference as the warning threshold has been set to 95%. There are now fewer values in the table. Another feature of the Advanced Query tool is that if you click on a value in the table, the component is isolated and the node is highlighted in the graphics area. Let's try clicking on a value in the table and see how the graphics area updates.